Hey guys, Quinn and I are back today to show you how to do a hair bow off of the end of a braid. So we're going to turn Quinn around here and show you how we've prepped the hair. So I've done a 7-strand braid and then I've left a long tail onto the braid. This is important. You want enough length in order to make a hair bow. If it's too short, it's going to be really hard to do. So I wanted to share that tip before we start. And with that, we're going to get started. To start this style, begin by placing a second elastic on the hair about a 1/2 inch down from the first one. Next, section off a small amount of hair to be used to make the loops of the bow. Clip the remaining hair out of the way. Starting on the right side, insert a topsy tail tool between the two elastics. Angle it at a diagonal so that it exits out the other side beneath the bottom elastic. Take half of the hair you just sectioned off and comb it smooth out to the side. Then place it through the loop of the topsy tail. Make sure the section of hair is not twisted, because this will cause the loop of the bow to also have a twist and not lay down nicely. Then pull the topsy tail through, making sure to keep a finger under the hair to prevent it from being pulled all the way through. Stretch the right loop of the bow slightly and then repeat on the left side. Take the remaining section of hair, I decided I needed to add a little more to mine, and comb it smooth out to the side. Then insert the topsy tail through the left side between the two elastics, again angling it at a diagonal so that it exits out the other side beneath the bottom elastic. Insert the hair through the loop of the topsy tail. Then pull the topsy tail through, again making sure to keep a finger under the hair so that it doesn't get pulled all the way through, while at the same time placing another finger in the right loop to help keep its shape. Gently stretch both sides of the bow and adjust as needed to get the shape you like. Then insert the topsy tail down behind both elastics. And then section off another small section of hair to wrap around the middle of the bow. Comb this section smooth, spraying with water as needed to control flyaways. Insert the hair through the loop of the topsy tail and then pull the topsy tail through. Again, I recommend placing a finger in each loop of the bow to help keep their shape as you pull the topsy tail through. Adjust the shape of the bow again as needed and then finish by curling the tails of the bow. And that's it, you're all done. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much!